Hello, students. Today we are still treating fraction, but we are looking for the fraction of a whole number. Number one is 1/3 of 27. Number two, 2/5 of 20. Number three, 4/7 of 21. So we're looking for the fraction of these numbers. So let's begin. When you see off 1/3 of 27 is the same thing as 1/3 times 27. That's over 1 if you want to put it. Then 3 in 27 is 9. 3 in 27 is 9, so it becomes 1 times 9. This 1 times 9, and that will give us 9. The same here, 2/5 of 20 is the same thing as 2/5 times 20. The 20 is up. So 5 in 20 is 4. So this will give us 2 times 4. The 4 is from the 20. If you want to put over 1, you can put it, but it's not compulsory. 5 in 24, then 2 times 4. And that will be 8. So this will give us 4/7 times 21 over 1. 7 in 21, 3. So 4 times the 3, 4 times 3. The 3 is 7 in 21, 3. Then this is the 4 you put it. 4 times 3, 12. So that's the final stage. So we'll come to the end of finding the fraction of a whole number. So I'll put up your assignment now. Please ensure you do your assignment, submit to your school or to somebody elderly at home. And also don't forget to click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for viewing.